Hello, and welcome to my second unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the 40 mic, which is an airsoft grenade. For those of you who don't know, I like to play airsoft, and as part of my kit, I have an M203. M203 in real life shoots a grenade and explodes far away. Airsoft grenades generally work more like shotgun blasts. So it's a tube with a trigger, and you pull the trigger, and then it just shoots a lot of BBs very quickly over generally a very short distance. This, which my brother got for me, is not that. It's more of an automatic burst. So and shoot a lot of BBs all at once. Now I'm not going to go over all of the box stuff, but I'll show you the box here. So 40 mic and aside, and if you want to pause it and try to read if you can. I hope this is clear enough. If you want to, is that right side up? Yeah. So 150 BBs capacity, 240 FPS, and 10-foot spread at 100 feet. It's very far. Now I'm not going to read everything like I said, but I do want to read this one a little bit. So it's BRT, just B-R-R-T, but I like to think of it's more. So it's more of a V sound, I think. That's not important. Reach out from across the field and rain down fury upon your opponent with the 40 mic's unparalleled muzzle velocity and spread. Unquestionably, the only combat effective gas shell ever created for airsoft. Also, it's made in Canada, and they already have their own video on YouTube, so if you want to watch that after this, you totally can. It's probably better. I haven't actually watched it yet, so maybe go watch that also. So let's get to it. So it came all plastic wrapped in an additional box, but I took those off before I decided I wanted to do this video. So here we are, gonna unbox it. Ooh, okay. So here's the grenade. So here's the grenade all around the sides and the top. So normally, for those of you who don't know, grenades have a bunch of different holes on them, and you just fill it full of BBs, and then you fill it full of gas in the center, and then there's a cover for this. There's a button on the back that you press, the gas releases, and it shoots all the BBs in a big burst, like I said earlier, the shotgun shell. But this one only has one hole. Interesting. This is the, I guess, standard 40 millimeter grenade shell, so you can launch any 40 millimeter grenade launchers this will work for. That's the grenade. It comes with grenade oil, medium 30 weight silicone oil for keeping it oiled. It also comes with a patch. 40 millimeter pain train, Airsoft Innovations. Cool. And of course the instruction manual here. So deployment. Remove safety cover. Insert into launcher and BRT to win. I like that BRT to win thing. That makes me chuckle inside. So this is interesting. I like this thing. You can see here, remember like I said earlier, most are just straight tubes. There's a gas chamber in here that launches and shoots all the BBs out. This one, you load it down the tube and it actually spirals around up to the top. So I guess when you load it, it says you got to do it at an angle, and then you gotta spin up to get the BBs down and then dump out the rest. This is another thing I just want to read. 30-foot minimum engagement distance. 40 mic is a powerful device for responsible players. Please observe a 30-foot minimum engagement distance to keep the game safe and enjoyable for all players. That's very far for airsoft. For all the games I've played, that's like open field. Alright, this is 40 mic test 1. Maybe we'll do it.
Test 1. I should probably go get the things.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Ow.
Holy crap.
That was loud.
Crap! That was terrifying, and I wildly missed.
I think I didn't hit the box though. Oh no, here's 1. Here's 2, here's 3. 1, 2, 3.
Maybe a 4, maybe a 5, or these could just be damaged.
Oh, that was wildly off.
I mean, it covers a huge cone.
Yeah.
I think someone over this side.
Alright, test number 2. See if I can aim a little better this time. And noise! And 3, 2, 1. I think that's going to be a great shot for my phone.
Oh, absolutely.
Because I think I hit that more than anything.
You hit me too.
Try to hit the box though. Let's see what we can do to it.
On 3.
I think you got to aim down. Down a little bit more.
Basically aiming the ground at this point. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Ha! Told you you're aiming too high.
I was gonna hit the ground. Ooh, and the heat you can see from the barrel.
That's a lot of damage.
Hey, I recognize that.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go check out 40 Mike's video on their YouTube. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can check here, or subscribe here. Liking and subscribing helps the channel. Also, if you want to see me use this in combat, comment below and let me know, because I will totally take point of view videos. And if you want to see them, let me know. Also follow me on Instagram _KojimaWorks_, and stay tuned for more.